Okay, so our problem statement was essentially that the CS department website's job board page was poorly organized and it was hard for computer science students to find a specific TA job that they're looking for. So to solve that problem, we've kind of implemented this job board page here with this job search. First, this is the first thing we see. We can search for a specific job that we would like. We can also filter the different jobs. So let's look at the ones that are hiring, right? Our results are displayed down here from the highest level to the lowest. We can see the assumed pay, predicted hours, things like that. We can filter based on what we're currently qualified for. So maybe to be a 356 TA, I have to have taken that class already. So that's good to know. So it shows up right there. Over here on the right, we have some recommended jobs, and these are kind of jobs that are based on qualifications that are recommended to us, jobs that we've recently viewed, and it's the same information displayed here. This is just for convenience, so maybe we don't even have to search. Maybe we come here and we just browse through these recommended jobs and we say, okay, yeah, I do want to be a 356 TA. So we can go ahead and click on that link. We see a little bit of information about the class, what the qualifications are for this class, again, the pay, the predicted hours per week, when it's offered. We can see a little bit more about the professor that's going to be teaching this course, their faculty page. Maybe we want to view the syllabus, the course material. So we can decide, okay, yeah, this is a TA job that I want to apply for. So we go ahead and hit the apply button. So here it's a little bit more about the information we're going to be sending in as our application. We can edit any of these fields. So I can edit my name. Maybe there's a typo, address. Maybe I moved, things like that. Select a specific resume or a cover letter if we want to add that. Again, more information about the class so we don't forget. We can also go back to the previous page, so we can go back to that job info page and just double check everything. Okay, I'm going to apply still. This all looks good, so I'm ready to submit. I want to become a 356 TA, so I'll go ahead and submit. And I'm notified immediately that I've successfully submitted an application, and I should expect to hear back within 3 to 5 business days, and I should check my application status. This is great news. I know when to come back and check everything out, so I'm going to go home. It's been 3 to 5 business days, so I'm going to check my application status. I'm going to go up here to my applications, and we see 4 different applications here. 356 TAs, the one we most recently submitted. It's been processed, reviewed, and accepted. So this is great news. I can now cancel these other applications if I want to. Maybe I want to see how they go. Maybe I actually want to be a 142 TA. I can wait to see if this one gets accepted, and then I can cancel this one. So I know what to do from there. So we can go back home from here. Let me check my notifications. So yeah, again, great news. I get my application's been accepted. This is going to tell me where to go from here, what to do. I can expect an email from one of the professors in the next 5 business days. I can study up on the material, get ready to go for my new position. So this is a big step up from what we used to have, where we just kind of apply and then not really know what's going to happen, if we're going to get the job or if that position was even hiring. Now we know that we should be able to hear from the professor that we're going to be working under, and we can go from there. So let me go back home really fast. One last thing under our job profile. This is me, write a little bit about me. I can add a GitHub, Handshake, LinkedIn, just kind of build my profile so my future employers can see kind of what I'm about. These are my qualifications. I can look at previously viewed jobs or my resumes. So I click on that. Currently I have 2 resumes, a web developer resume, just an example, backend developer resume. So I can select from either one of those when I apply. I can add a new resume, and they're all just kind of saved here for convenience. Just go back to my homepage. So that's the solution to kind of make this more streamlined, make it easier for students to find TA jobs that they're looking for in the CS department. There we go.